Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13C, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then select Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my username and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!